But if you're recording to YouTube, that's fine. We can just
yeah, I am.
Yeah. Then we have the copy of the video as well, which is nice.
Sure.
Sweet. So I will steal the screen because gotta show you this thing that I was just playing around with, and it's like real-time image generation. So it generates as fast as you can type, essentially.
Really? Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, please share, man.
Like, it's surreal because it's like there's no way, and then it doesn't nail everything perfectly. Like, it's like a little glitchy. But can you see my screen now?
Yep.
Okay, so like throw out like the most random thing, like a series of nouns and verbs.
Okay. Man in banana costume running down Times Square. Are you kidding me? This is nuts.
Instant.
Wow. What is this called?
This is called it's Stable Diffusion Turbo, but it's called SDXL Turbo.
Wow.
And you can run it through this you have to either download the code on, I think it's on GitHub or Hugging Face, or this site called ClipDrop. You can just access it directly through the browser, which is nice.
So you're going to be explaining this a lot, seeing as you're an AI educator now, but why don't you refresh me on Hugging Face and how this is different than going off a website like ChatGPT?
Yeah, so essentially Hugging Face gives people access to open source software, and open source just means it's free to use, free to download. And actually that's what I think kind of the theme of the week with AI right now. It's like a whole bunch of really powerful tools have just been open sourced. Nice. So I believe this would be one of them, but there's a few others that I have written down we can check out as well. But one of them is like I know you'll be interested in is AutoGPT, like a autonomous agent platform. And
I thought AutoGPT was kind of ranked lower than ChatDev.
So it's not. It's not actually. Sorry, it's not actually AutoGPT. It is. Let me find the name of it here. I have it open actually. I think.
Is it AutoGen? Because AutoGen is the Microsoft one that's going to be quite powerful.
No, HyperWrite. HyperWrite with a W. HyperWrite AI.
HyperWrite.
Yeah.
Looks pretty cool, man.
So, anyways, yeah, like, let's try something else. So, Elon Musk and a giraffe in a field of strawberries.
That's nuts.
It's instant.
Yeah.
Like it's yeah. Pretty cool. So
unreal. And so you have this on your computer?
I haven't downloaded the software. No, I'm just running it on this clipdrop.co. You still have to run it through your Google account, so you have limited amount of credits before you have to get the pro plan to keep using it.
Right.
So you're just logging into this site, and
wouldn't you rack up credits pretty quickly then? Because I mean, if this is almost instantaneous, then you're probably you can blow through your credits like really fast, no?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, it goes really quick. Like you probably get like five more.
Does something like this have any kind of kid gloves on them? Like
yes, yes. I was doing like, what was it? Flying cow, like flying through space, and like I was like, I told it to be like explode the cow. I told it to like, do a few things to the cow, and like it wouldn't do anything. It wouldn't, yeah. It wouldn't turn into a demon. Like all the fun stuff. So,
And
anyways,
this one was
that's
called, sorry, what was the name of this? Stable Diffusion Turbo. Okay.
yeah, SDXL Turbo.
Yeah, I never really messed around with Stable Diffusion.
Well, and that's another release this week was Stable Diffusion Video. So I don't think I ever used the software for image generation. I always thought Midjourney used Stable Diffusion technology, or maybe I have that mixed up. But I think it's its own type of generative software, right? Generative AI.
Mm-hmm.
And they just released a new version of let me pull it up here, of their video generation software.
How does it hold up against Pika? Is it Pika
Well,
Labs or Pika? Because I know Pika's like
Pika and Runway. The one I've been using is Runway for like for logo and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And I would like apparently, yeah, Pika just released a new update this week as well. So it's just like so hard to keep up because it's just like every day. It's literally every single day. Like there's like 10 new crazy like releases. Like so. It's
almost
slightly overwhelming at, like in terms of AI education. Like when you can't, like when you're like doing it every day and you can't even keep up with like 10% of the fucking changes because it's just like so much is happening in this day.
That's true.
Here I'm gonna.
Yeah, because at what point too do you say, okay, cool, this is like a stable version and a stable product? Because we all know this stuff is all in beta right now. So
Yeah.
At what point do you even start suggesting these things? I've seen.
I'm sorry. Go ahead. I don't mean to interrupt.
No, you got me captivated by this image. Okay. I can't hear anything though.
Oh, you can't?
No, I think we had this problem last time.
Okay.
You want to send me over the link and I'll just fire it up?
Hang on, I can do screen to share audio, share tab, or screen instead. Yeah, so this should work.
So you figured it out, because I remember last time we were having that kind of issue.
Yeah, but for some reason last time I couldn't share my screen or whatever it was. So can you hear this?
I cannot. No, sorry. You want to shoot me over a link, and I'll play it on my end, and then I will share my screen.
Sure.
And I'll throw in the captions as well, so you can kind of follow along, because I know you've seen it before. But...
Well, I actually haven't seen this video. I was just gonna pull up some.
Oh, you haven't?
No. You know what? Yeah, let me just. It's okay if we'll just.
No, why don't you send me the link, and we can do it like two youngins starting the movie at the same time. Have you ever done
that? I don't think so.
Oh, I guess you're not as familiar with long distance dating as I am. You sit there, you sync up. I did this even before Netflix actually, but you sync up the movie at the same time and then you hit play. So I'm pretty used to doing that.
Okay. Well, I wasn't thinking of going through the whole thing anyway. It's just more so to show the video.
Oh, okay. Well, why don't we just talk through it then? Yeah, I guess we don't.
Yeah.
Listen to this dude.
Yeah, because there's so much to talk about. I don't want to spend 10 minutes on anything really necessarily, but Anyways, am I sharing right now?
Yep, I'm watching it all.
Okay. Try this guy.
There's a doppelganger in the background.
So I think it's still similar to Runway Gen 2, where it's like just 4-second clips. Like that looks like really good quality. And I think like that's one thing I have noticed with that runway is like it's a lot of it's pretty bad quality in terms of like being usable in any way. Like it warps people's faces. You know what I mean? Like makes them weird and I feel like that can be improved, but
it's just a matter of them focusing on training specific things, I'm assuming, kind of like how Midjourney was able to train out the weird hands situation, right? I'm assuming, anyways. I really don't know what I'm talking about.
oh no, I think you're right. It's just a matter of time, right? Because that's text to video is like fairly new. I think it's like less than a year old.
That one's pretty good. These ones are pretty good.
Yeah, these look better than they're gonna pick the best stuff, of course, to show. But like that to me
AI. Oh, this is okay. So this is a.
This is Stable Diffusion.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
just
of course, they'll pick the best ones for sure.
Yeah. Anyway, so what else?
Geez, I wonder how much those. Actually, I'm just trying to find a way to share this link with myself, because since we don't get to play around with Kree, I did want to bring this up anyways, because it's pretty cool. What's that? Oh, applied AI, nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go.